Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anne. On today's tutorial, we are going to be making this shirt. It's very easy to make. So first things first, we are going to be making our granny squares, and then you measure your granny square. After that, you're going to determine the size of your shirt. For me, my size is a medium, so I ended up using 44 granny square. So the whole shirt is just granny squares, and then you're going to join them together, and then you have a shirt. We'll be using this yarn, and it's 100 grams, 100% acrylic. We'll be using a 2mm hook. You can use a bigger hook, and a tape measure and a pair of scissors. We're going to start by making our very first stitch, which is going to be a slip stitch. And then we are going to make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you make a chain of 6, you're going to slip stitch in the first chain that you made. Make a slip stitch. After that, you're going to chain 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 does count as a double crochet, and you're going to be making double crochet inside this hole that you made. You're going to make 16 double crochets, and that is inclusive of this chain 3 that you made. We have chained 16, so we are going to slip stitch in the third chain, 1, 2, 3 from the hook. Make a slip stitch, pull through your yarn, and then you're going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This chain 3 counts as a stitch, and this chain 2 counts as a chain 2. So in the next stitch, you're going to make a double crochet. Then you're going to chain 2. In the next stitch, make a double crochet, chain 2. In the next stitch, make a double crochet, chain 2. In the next, make double crochet, chain 2. Make a double crochet. We are on our last stitch. We are going to make our double crochet. Then you're going to chain 2 and then slip stitch in the third chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch just like that. And then we are going to count how many boxes we have made. You should have 16 boxes since you started your row with 16 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We're going to move on to our third row. For our third row, you're going to chain 1 and then make a single crochet in this chain 2 space. Then you're going to chain 1, 2, 3. This does count as a treble double crochet. Then you're going to yarn over 3 times to make a treble double crochet. 1, 2, and then insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Don't finish your stitch, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over 1, 2, and then you have 3 stitches on your hook, yarn over, pull through 3, and then you're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the next chain you're going to make a treble double crochet. So you're going to yarn over 1, 2, insert your hook on this stitch, yarn over twice, insert your hook in this stitch, yarn over twice, yarn over twice, and then pull through. And that's what you're going to have. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over 1, 2, insert your hook, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the same stitch, don't finish your stitch, yarn over, pull through, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, we are going to repeat this until you get back to this point. I'll meet you guys there. We are back at this point. On this space, you're going to chain 2 instead of chaining 3. And then we are going to make a double crochet through these loops. So make a double crochet just like that, and that's how you're going to finish off your third row. So to start off your last row, you're going to chain 1, and on this space right here, you're going to make a single crochet. Then you're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to make a single crochet in this chain 5 space. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to make a single crochet in this space. Then you're going to move to this chain 5 space and make double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. And then you're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the same space, you're going to make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. And then you're going to make a single crochet in this chain 2 space, in this chain 5 space. And now you have your very first corner. And then you're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a single crochet on this chain 2, on this chain 5, chain 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a single crochet in this space. Then in these 5, you're going to make double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our second corner. And then you're going to make a single crochet on this chain 5, and then chain 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a single crochet in the next chain 5, chain 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a single crochet just like that, and then make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make a single crochet This is our third corner. So we are going to repeat this on this side. I'll meet you guys when you get to the point where we are making our fourth corner. We are on our last corner. We are going to make 5 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is going to lead us to this point where we started our row. So we are going to make a slip stitch in this first single crochet that we made. Make a slip stitch, chain 2, and cut off your yarn. So this is what you are going to have. A granny square that looks like this. Ensure both sides are equal. So I'm going to make another granny square and I'm going to come back and show you how to join the granny squares together. So we are making our second granny square and I want to show you how to join it to this one. So we want to make our very first corner. So on this first corner, you're going to make 5 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Then you're going to chain 2, 1, 2. You're going to take your second granny square and you're going to join it on your right side. So chain 2, insert your hook on this, chain 5, make a single crochet, and then chain 2, and then you're going to come back to this space again and make your 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we are going to single crochet in the next chain, and then you're going to chain 1, 2 instead of chaining 5, and then we are going to single crochet in this chain 5 on the opposite side, chain 2, then chain 1, 2, and in this you're going to make a single crochet just like that, and then you're going to chain 1, 2, and you're going to insert it in this opposite side and make a single crochet. Then you're going to chain 1, 2, and insert it on this other side and make a single crochet. And that is how you're going to join your work. And then this is going to lead us to this space. You're going to make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to chain 1, 2, and on this space right here, you're going to make a single crochet. And after that, you're going to chain 1, 2, and you're going to come back to this space and make 5 double crochets. And this is what you should have after you've joined your granny square, and that is how you're going to be joining your work together. After this, now you're just going to be repeating this sequence. You're going to create your third corner and your fourth corner, and then you finish off your granny square, and then you start making more granny squares. I'll let you know how many granny squares I'm making for this project. So we are going to be joining 4 granny squares in each row. You're going to repeat this line 5 times. We are just joining in lines, just like this. So this is my second and my third. So you are going to make 2 more like these ones, and then I'll meet you guys and I'll show you how to join everything together. This is our back panel. We've made 20 granny squares and we've joined them together. So our shirt is going to be like this. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to join the granny squares together. So I've made my front panels and here they are. So I want to show you how to join these together, and we're just going to take our hook and make a slip stitch, and you're going to start joining from one corner to the other. So insert your hook in this stitch, make a slip stitch, insert your hook, make a single crochet, and we are going to be making single crochet in every stitch. We are not skipping any stitch. And when you get to this chain, the chain 5, we are going to be placing 5 single crochet in these chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we are going to keep joining our work using single crochets. So when you reach to the chain 5, make 5 single crochet. 4, 5. When you get to the double crochet stitches and the single crochets, just make your single crochets and don't skip any stitch. I hope that is clear. Don't try and skip any stitch. The joining area, insert your hook on this side, insert your hook on the other side, make a single crochet. This is how your work is going to look like. So we are going to repeat this until we get to the end. I'll meet you guys after that. This is what you should have after you are done joining. So we are going to join this to our back panel. We are going to join our work on the wrong side of our work. So turn your work into the wrong side. Then we are going to start attaching from one corner to this corner, and we are joining using single crochet. So insert your hook, make a slip stitch, and on this stitch make 2 single crochets, and then in the next stitch make a single crochet, in the next one make a single crochet. So in general, you are ensuring that your stitches match on both sides without any issue. We are not increasing or decreasing. We are just ensuring that our stitches are matching on both sides. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are at the joining point. We've joined our first granny square. Just going to make a single crochet there and continue with the same sequence until you get to the end right here. I'll meet you guys there. We are at the end. We are going to make a slip stitch, then cut off your yarn. Turn your work into the right side, and this is what you should have. So on this front panel, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2, we have 8 granny squares. So we are going to make 8 granny squares for this side as well. And then we are going to join them together the same way we've joined on this side. And I will meet you guys after you've joined both sides, and we'll proceed from there. We have joined both of our front panel, this side and this other side. You should have this. So we are going to join our sides, and since we have 4 granny squares, we are only going to join 2 in each side. So we'll be joining from here. We are going to make a space for our armhole. So take your yarn and make a slip stitch, and from this side insert your hook and pull through your yarn. Also remember that we are doing this on the wrong side of our work, so keep joining your work. We are joining our work using single crochet, and we are doing this on the wrong side of our work. So in each stitch put a single crochet. We are not increasing or decreasing, we are just joining using single crochet. Okay? And when you get to the chain 5, make 5 double crochets and keep repeating the same thing. Keep repeating this until you get to the end of your row, and then cut off your yarn. I'll meet you guys after that. We are done with this side. We've also done this other side. For our sleeves, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to make 4 granny squares for this side and 4 granny squares for this other side. And I'll meet you guys after you've done that. And we are going to start joining our granny squares to our shirt. We are back. We've made 1, 2, 3, 4 granny squares for our sleeve, and we're going to join them to our sleeve. So take your shirt, turn it into the wrong side, and then you're going to take your granny square and also turn them to the wrong side. We are going to start attaching from one corner. Just pick a corner that you're more comfortable with. Take your crochet hook, make a slip stitch. Insert your hook on this stitch, insert your hook on the other stitch, and make a single crochet. Just like that. Insert your hook on this stitch and insert your hook on the opposite stitch. Make a single crochet. You are just going to keep touching your work using single crochets until you get back to this other side. I'll meet you guys when we get to this point. We are back at this point. We are going to join this together. So we are joining the same way. We are just making single crochets in every stitch. Insert your hook, pull through. So we are just going to be joining our work using single crochet. Keep joining your work until you get to the end of your row. And we're going to repeat this on the other side of our sleeve. I'll meet you guys after that. So we've joined both of our arms. I went ahead and did 3 rows of single crochet on the front panel, on the front part of our shirt, and 1 row of single crochet at the bottom of our shirt. Then we are going to make a single crochet row on our sleeve just to finish it off so that we can get whatever we are looking for. So make a slip stitch. And you're just going to insert your hook on one corner. I'm going to use the bottom corner. And make a single crochet. So what we are going to do, we are just going to be placing single crochet in every stitch. So when you get to this chain 5 space, I'll be placing 4 single crochets, and then on this joining stitch you place a single crochet. When you get to these double crochet stitches, place a single crochet in every stitch. Just basically repeat the same thing. So we are going to do this for only 1 row. I'll meet you guys when you are done. Also do this for both of your sleeves, okay? We are done with our single crochet row. This is what you should have. Cut off your yarn, and then we are going to turn our work into the wrong side, and we are going to be hiding all our ends. And after that, we'll be completely done with our tutorial. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and let me know what you think in the comment down below.